band. KU band is nothing but a dish. The consumer requires to keep this KU band at their house for receiving the signal direct from the satellite. So it's a microwave frequency band used for satellite communication, receiving the signals and broadcasting it. So in DTH, the KU band used, the frequency used in KU band is 4800 megahertz, primarily used for satellite communication. Now the history behind DTH. In 1944, Hughes Communication of USA started the DTH service called the Direct TV. But in 2012, Indian DTH makers surpassed the US market and became the largest DTH service of the world. That means we are proud to be Indian, that we are gaining or we are having the largest market of DTH due to its wide population. That means in India more people are engaged with DTH, more people are dependent with DTH, more people are watching television with the help of DTH services. Now moving on to the requirements. The consumer requires a KU dish size 60 to 80 cm. With the KU dish, the consumer also needs an integrated receiver or the decoder and a set-top box. Along with it, a viewing card. A viewing card is nothing but a card which stores the information of individual subscribers. It contains the information about the channels of the subscribers' own interest. Now it gives the consumer control of what they want. So different consumer will have different viewing cards. Nothing is free in this economy. So the DTH is also chargeable. Who collects this money? This money is collected by the DTH operators. How? On the basis of pay-per-view. If a consumer is watching 10 channels, then he will be charged for 10 channels only. And if someone is interested in watching 100 channels, then he will be charged for watching 100 channels as per their own choice and preferences. Now the DTH also provides some free channels as well. Around 40 channels they are providing for free, in which they are having Doordarshan and many other channels. Thus it gives the consumer control of what they watch. Moving to the facilities or advantages of DTH. Pay-per-view, which we have discussed in previous slide. So coming to the next point, the personal video recorder. What is personal video recorder? It records the personal video. Suppose due to some unavoidable circumstances, I am going to miss a particular TV program. So the DTH will record it on behalf of me. Next coming, video on demand. Suppose I want to watch Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. So I will request my DTH service provider and he or she or the provider will provide me with this particular movie. And the third point is video on demand, which we have discussed. Coming to the next point, HD picture quality. The DTH provides HD picture quality and a better audio quality. Lastly, the DTH can reach the remotest area where the cable operators is unable to reach, unable to provide their services. The DTH is directly providing services to the remote area of the country. Before explaining the final part, I would like to request, please watch the second episode of this series, which is on FDI.
Hello viewers, welcome to the second episode of Act is No Media. So let's get started. Well, in today's video, we will be going to discuss the definition of FDI, the element of control, the history behind FDI, the television versus newspaper, restrictions, print media, radio, and broadcast.
Now, the DTH and the FDI. We know that foreign direct investment is an investment which is made by a firm or individual on one country into business interests located in another country. Now, the DTH, the government of India allowed KU band DTH broadcasting system only after 2003. So however, the control, that means the foreign investment, foreigners can invest on Indian DTH, but the managerialship, the decision making abilities must rest on Indian hands, just like other FDI rules. So as we have discussed earlier, FDI in broadcasting is allowed 74% under the Broadcasting Carriage Service investment policy, and 74% FDI is permissible for teleports, DTH, cable networks, mobile TV and Sky broadcasting. Hey you guys, thanks for watching this video. Keep supporting.